What is financial risk? Financial risk is a complete or partial loss of money, assets or securities. In the world of finance, there is a classification of financial risks. Investment risk is the risk associated with investing and trading. Investment risks often depend on market price fluctuations. Market risk is the risk associated with fluctuations in the price of an asset. This may be due to the high volatility of an asset. Another risk is liquidity risk, which implies a sharp change in price. Credit risk is the risk at which there is a likelihood of loss of funds by the creditor due to default by the debtor. Operational risk is the risk of losing finances due to a systemic error in the course of operations. Compliance risk is a risk that is associated with non-compliance by a company or an enterprise with the laws and regulations of the respective jurisdictions. Systemic risk is the risk associated with an event that may have an adverse impact on the industry or the market as a whole. In conclusion, I would like to say that all risks cannot be avoided, but they can be mitigated and kept under control.